welcome back to a new episode. It is 2022. I have not done one of these in a hot minute, but I've been needing to do this video right here, and it's for the guys over at Vision Auto Works. So let's get right into it. And here we have Kevin's. Hey, what kind of RSX is this? What year? 06. We got an 06 RSX over here on some, I don't know, these are some cool wheels, man. What are these, man? I don't speak real wheels. SSR Minerva's. Homeboy was been working on these for like a hot minute. It feels like, what, a year?
6 months.
6 months, okay. So rebuilt these. These were actually really crusty, but now that it is time, we've got to fill this little gap out with. So now we're just going to show you how to put these on. These are actually plug and play, no brackets or anything like that. Let's get right to it. Man, these are pretty. Hey man, what'd you do? How'd you get these colors?
Powder coated by Unit 14.
Okay, yeah, but how'd you, well, I mean, yeah, great shout out to them, but like also like how'd you come up with this color?
That was the GTR brake.
Yeah. Hey, pump it up real good.
You're just sneaky.
I know. Hey man, what you doing? You securely jacked up your car and put jack stands on it. Next thing you want to do, you want to pull your wheels off. You got your wheel off, you want to actually take off the OEM brake caliper and the rotor. Hey Kevin, what size is that up on top?
12.
12? So he's going to use 12, either a 17 or a 19 to pull the whole entire caliper off. So these little screws kind of get stuck on there. Kevin's using a manual impact driver pretty much. And then being smart, so BBK gang, you're just lazy. You got him, I got him.
I got small brakes.
What do you? Before you trim it, kind of want to see. You want to line it up and see. That's why I was like, I don't know why you put the rotors on.
I was trying to make sure everything fits.
Oh, it fits. He literally did this before. What are you talking about?
It fits. You just gotta trim it.
No, my wheels.
I love TSXs. Yeah.
That's an RSX, my guy. That's a broken TSX. Hey, look, it ain't my car, so that means you're doing the work. I'm recording, and then all these guys are just. That was my bucket.
Oh, I mean,
Dude, it was my wash bucket. Yo, man, what'd that do to you?
Hey, you're gonna have to clean it up.
Hey, Jason, you're gonna have to clean it up.
Chandler did it.
No, I saw you do it. We don't have the proper tools. That sucks. We're just gonna actually just take the heat shield off completely. There's 4 screws, and he's just taking them off with the plier. Now that the heat shield is off, now all Kevin has to do is just mount up his caliper on there with the rotor. So Kevin kind of mocked it up. We still got the caliper up there. We're about to see if his wheels fit. Watch if they don't fit. I wouldn't cry.
pretty big.
And they're gonna what a guy. Hey, yo, you getting bald like me? I don't know. Yo, they cleared. Look at that.
Is that my no? They better clear.
Yo, they cleared. It's fine. I can see it from here.
Bro, I can see the clearance from here.
You get it. What are you doing, my guy? The tool's right there. Huh? Where are we? Y'all put it up?
No, it's on the
Hurry up.
Ah.
This water's heavy.
You're not really supposed to put those on. You can, but this guy's doing it. I'm walking off the shot.
You can't block the sound.
So yeah, no. I mean, you can put that on. Just, yeah, you could, yeah, assemble the brakes, put the, rotors and everything all.
Oh, yeah,
well, the rotor's already on. I'm sorry, the brake pads and all. So included with the Vision Auto Works kit, you can get all the hardware needed to bolt up your calipers. Got the brakes right there.
Yeah, so you can see how crippled I am now.
Bro, what happened?
Man's flipped.
Cool. So installed the brake calipers with the pads, and now Kevin's just using an 18 mil 3/8 socket, and we're impacting it down. So after running down the bolts of the impact and getting a few ugga-duggas, he's going to be safe, and he's going to use his torque wrench, but it's 80 foot-pounds, and we're going to wait for the beep on both ends. Anytime. He just doesn't have the leverage over there.
I was third grade. 73 should be good, right?
No. You want to whip that out? You gotta go full 80.
It ain't going 80.
You're gonna go 80 if you're gonna whip that out.
What the heck? This guy over here, what's the hard specs? 73 is good.
And me and him are over here, Uggy Duggy, sending it home.
It feels like I'm gonna strip the bolt.
Nah. No. My back says no right now. It says snap on, bro. Hey, you just pulled 74 foot-pounds on that. Or 64.
Here, just throw it on here.
Just Uggy Duggies, bro. Running down like clack, 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 done. Done. Torque to spec, my guy. He's about to go check it again.
So extra.
Now what?
We can turn the wheel and put your brake line on there.
You got anything to hold?
I got you a bungee cord. Well, I mean, it's anniversary day, bro.
Literally. We were just talking about it. Hello?
So he's taking off the brake line right there. There's two washers. Technically, you're supposed to replace them, but
Talking about those crush washers?
yeah, those little copper washers. Supposed to replace them, but we're just gonna reuse them. YOLO.
We're getting into a lot of personal space over here, but Kevin is installing the Banjo bolts. Oh god. Into the caliper.
And what's the torque spec on that one back there?
80 foot-pounds.
80? No, on the Banjo bolt, my guy.
14.
Golly. See, on this part, I actually want y'all to use a torque wrench if you can. It's very easy to strip out the aluminum on that. Don't ask me how I know that. I've gone through 2 sets of calipers like that. Don't do that. There you go. That's it. That's all you need to do. So recap, we took off the stock brakes, put on the shim that they give you, the rotors that you supply, and then you put your brakes onto your calipers, slide them on, bolt them on to 80 foot-pounds on the ears, and 14 foot-pounds on the brake line. And then you're done as far as assembly goes on this side. It's time to do the other side, but we're going to be quick about it because we're not recording that side.
He said, where the caliper?
with a caliper, I'm holding it over here like a baby. We're gonna have to bleed these brakes, and with BBK, you always want to go from the inside to outside. You didn't know that, dude? How you a whole entire master Subaru tech and you don't know how to do this, man? Bro, I'm barely a tech, and I already know this.
Come on now.
I guess it's because Nissans always break down. Yeah.
The only time I have to replace calipers is when the BRZ guy stripped the bolts.
So, inside, outside, and then you're done on this side, and then you go on the other side. Furthest away, I mean, yeah, you can go always, you know, if the reservoir's over there, furthest away. We try to YOLO it. It's leaking out from the fitting. So, they're just gonna go get some crush washers while I work on Dad's car. Kevin ran into a small issue. He had to go get some crush washers. I know we said yellow, but it was leaking. They're pumping it. They're bleeding it right now. In the meantime, while they were gone to O'Reilly's, I did my dad's rear brakes. It's not leaking no more. Had to clean up the Banjo fitting. Quick tip, if your Banjo fittings look like crap and they're crusty, just replace them. They're what, $4 at O'Reilly's? Something like that. I think we're done for today. We've got everything bolted up. Kevin test drove it. We found a leak. It's still coming from back there. I think Kevin's just gonna go get a Banjo bolt and possibly a line. But this is what happens whenever, you know, you're installing some aftermarket stuff. You run into some unexpected things. It's not anything that the Brembos cause. It's just from wear and tear from the other stuff. He's a little upset. But, yo, where'd you get that hoodie from?
It's okay, works.
Yo, who's that?
You.
Oh, okay. Let me see that backside. And I mean the backside of the hoodie, not your backside. Yo, what do you think? What do you think? You feel good?
Yeah, well, right.
What you think? Should I make some more or nah? I think we're done with this right now.
Make some more.
Nah, dude, I want to do something with t-shirt now.
That's fine too.
All right, bet. Shout out to Vision Auto Works for kind of like, not really sponsoring this video, but kind of like just helping out with this video. You know, Cullen, Pedro, they're always in these videos as much as they can be, and really do appreciate it. So definitely go check them out. This video is definitely just for them. It's just another way of me saying thank you. And well, okay, that's making a little bit of noise. We're just gonna wrap up over here, and then again, yeah, import crate. Like I'm about to plug them in. It's gonna be an old one, but still relevant. So here you go. I've got Cullen from Vision Auto Works. I've got Pedro, who's his employee. You're a slave to the man.
Employee.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm talking about your other 3 jobs. But today we're gonna be kind of talking about this. I've already gave my 2 cents on this. I kind of want to get their opinions. I've got the box inside the car just because we just got done with Week Fest, so this is gonna go right there in my little trash bin. What do you guys think of the smell? Don't worry about the car. It just road trip back.
Yeah, it's not bad. It smells pretty good to me.
Smells nice. I like it.
It's a little strong.
Yeah, I definitely don't mind it.
Don't mind it.
I still like the
black
squash.
Black squash.
Still my favorite.
Yeah.
Black or blue squash.
So Alvin gave me like 2 a blue squash box and a green one, which I've got to try out. But that's just a melon one. Out of 10, what do you think?
A good solid 8 or 9.
Yeah, I'll say 8.
All right, cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Smash that like, subscribe, thumbs up, everything. Maybe some comments, that'd be amazing. Quick update on the TSX. It's dead. Torque converter's whining its butt off. So I'm gonna have to get a used transmission because Acura wants $5,000 for a reman transmission. Let's get those numbers up. Thank you again for watching. Peace. Bye.